quit being a furry.
After 5 years on the East Coast, it was time to go home.
That bitch too strong. She built like King Kong.
If you're 10 or 12, please hit me up. It seems there has been a huge misunderstanding.
Bruh, look at these goofy ass shoes from the Goodwill.
Answer the Discord call now, or your kitten status revoked. There will be consequences. Are we clear?
I was spotting this guy for his AMRA PR, and this happened.
Yeah, easy. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah.
WTF?
Yo, bro. What the hell is that? What you gonna do about it, huh? You got a problem?
Look at it. It's SpongeBob. SpongeBob. It's fucking SpongeBob.
Hi.
What's wrong, kid?
I just got bullied for being gay.
Oh, yeah? What's about to happen again?
Take out the trash, please.
Shut up, Mama. Dad, we're just joking. It's just a prank. It's just a prank.
Man, I'm finna whip this hoe.
Chuckle, Clown, what's your name?
Carl.
Carl?
Yeah.
Nice chain. What, did you break away from your owner or something?
Hey, does anybody want coffee? Who wants coffee? I just made a fresh pot of coffee. Does anybody want coffee? Who wants coffee? Does anybody want coffee? Who wants coffee? What's going on, man? You want coffee? I just made coffee. Does anybody want coffee? Who wants coffee? You want coffee? You want coffee? I just made coffee. Who wants coffee? Does anybody want coffee? 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 You want coffee? Who wants
Vente ahora, ¿ah? Míralo. Lo mojé, papi, míralo, lo mojé. Lo mojé para que no sea cabrón, míralo.